The BMW E30 M3 is often considered one of the most iconic and beloved cars among automotive enthusiasts. Here are some reasons why. Racing heritage. The E30 M3 was built to compete in the German Touring Car Championship, DTM, and other racing series, and it was extremely successful. In fact, it won the championship in 1987, 1989, and 1990, and it also had success in rally and endurance racing. As a result, the E30 M3 has a strong motorsport heritage that has helped to cement its place in automotive history. Handling and performance. The E30 M3 was designed to be a high-performance car that could compete on the track, and it delivers impressive handling and performance. It has a lightweight body, a balanced chassis, and a high-revving four-cylinder engine that produces up to 238 horsepower, depending on the model year. The result is a car that is incredibly fun to drive, whether you're on the track or on a winding road. Rarity and collectability. The E30 M3 was produced in limited numbers, with just over 16,000 units built between 1986 and 1991. This rarity has made the car highly collectible, and it has also helped to drive up its value over the years. Many enthusiasts consider the E30 M3 to be a classic car that is worth preserving and cherishing. Styling. The E30 M3 has a unique and distinctive look that sets it apart from other cars of its era. It has flared fenders, a rear wing, and other aerodynamic features that give it a sporty and aggressive appearance. Many enthusiasts love the way the E30 M3 looks, and they appreciate the attention to detail that BMW put into its design. Overall, the E30 M3 is loved by enthusiasts for its racing heritage, handling and performance, rarity and collectability, and distinctive styling. It is a true icon of automotive history, and a car that continues to inspire passion among fans and collectors.